These presets will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Montserrat font is used in this project. Let me show you how to edit and use these presets. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. To install Mogrts, right-click here, click on Manage Additional Folders. Here add the preset folder path. Select the version accordingly and click on the Select folder. Here presets are installed. Select any template and place it on the timeline. Add your text here. You can change the font from here. Here you can change the text color. Position and scale can be changed from here. These presets have in and out both animation. To increase the duration of the template, increase its length like that. In this way, you can adjust the duration. That's it. Thanks for watching.